terms of political reactions on the Prime Minister's roadshow as well. Now remember, Jairam Ramesh yesterday when the roadshow was underway said that this is the roadshow of an outgoing Prime Minister. Many in the opposition claiming that nothing has been done in Varanasi, which is the constituency of the Prime Minister. No Vikas Karya has happened in Varanasi, and all the claims that are being made by the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Prime Minister of the transformation on ground on Varanasi is not real. And in fact, they are also predicting that 150 par haar jayegi or thum jayegi NDA. That's their prediction. Let's also listen in to the reaction coming in from Priyanka Gandhi. Jairam Ramesh has called the roadshow a drama. This is how Priyanka Gandhi responded.
तो जनसंपर्क नहीं होता जिस तरह से हम लोग करते थे और जिस तरह से मेरे पिताजी करते थे। मेरे पिताजी पैदल गांव में जाते थे, प्रधानमंत्री होते हुए पैदल गांव के अंदर जाकर समस्याएं पूछते थे, जनता की आंसू पोंछते थे। एक गाड़ी पे ऊपर से खड़े होके यूं हाथ हिलाना और जनता आधे किलोमीटर दूर से यूं हाथ हिला रही है, वो जनसंपर्क नहीं है। वो मोदी जी का जनसंपर्क होगा, उनका अपना तरीका है।
प्रियंका गांधी सेइंग कि ये तरीका नहीं है प्रचार करने का, ऐसे गाड़ी पर चढ़कर यूं हाथ दिखाने से जनसंपर्क नहीं होता. यू शुड डू इट लाइक हाउ हर फादर डिड इट, डू इट like how the Congress party does it. We have Ankit joining us with more inputs on this breaking input coming in. Yesterday, when the roadshow of the Prime Minister was underway, Congress leader Jairam Ramesh said this is the outgoing Prime Minister holding a roadshow. Today, Jairam Ramesh has called it a drama. He's also claiming no Vikas has happened in Varanasi. Ankit, over to you.
In fact, Swati, he said outgoing PM today also. I'm going to read through the tweet. Jairam Ramesh, just before or as the PM was filing his nomination, raised 3 points. He says, after spending 20,000 crore rupees, why has the Ganga got dirtier? Why has the PM abandoned the Varanasi villages he had adopted? Why is the PM determined to destroy Mahatma Gandhi's legacy in Varanasi? And then in Jairam Ramesh's characteristic style, he details his allegations. He calls them Jumla. He says when he came to Varanasi in 2014, PM Modi had said, "Ma Ganga ne mujhe bulaya hai." He promised to purify the waters of the holy Ganga. He then details how the Ganga has allegedly got dirtier. This is Jairam Ramesh's contention, backed up by his own evidence. The next one, he says, outside the city of Varanasi lie 8 villages that have the misfortune of being adopted by the outgoing PM. He is using the word adopted in a reference to what the Prime Minister said to us in our interview. He says a March 2024 ground report found that despite big promises of smart schools, health facilities and housing, the villages have seen absolutely no progress in 10 years. Domri village has almost no pakka housing. And then lastly, Swati, he says, and here is where he says it is well known that the outgoing PM's ideology is that of Godse, not Gandhi. And he talks about how the PM praises Gandhiji abroad, but here apparently he dismantles the various institutions that propagated Gandhiism.